Alright guys, this here is the nature show. I'm just waiting for my good old pal Quinn to come up. Oh, there he is now. I think he's coming up. Oh yeah. There he be.
How you doing, y'all?
How's it going?
We've been down in Texas for about a week now. We upgraded the arsenal quite a damn bit. Let me show you what we got back here.
Oh yeah, let's go.
My friend Clinton
Better not be that Hillary.
hooked me up with a nice little supply of some gear.
Oh yeah, it's looking good.
We got some duct tape.
Duct tape. Oh yeah. Oh, what's this? Oh.
Touch that.
Oh,
Don't touch that, Jermaine.
my bad.
He hooked us up with some gear to hunt this dang Myles.
Looking good.
As you obviously, as our dedicated viewers on the Nature Show, obviously remember, Wild Myles Sr. is still at large in the St. Louis area. Now, I think I hear him over there. Let me signal off my call. Let's advance.
Are you gonna get the rest of your gear?
Hold on, I'll
Just
come
gonna
back.
leave it there?
Now, Jermaine,
All right.
One thing my grandfather, Pappy Quinn, taught me was that you can go from Australian to Texan in 1 week if you try hard enough.
Oh yeah. Good
Oh,
advice.
darn. There he is up there. You see him, Jermaine?
I don't see him.
Hold on.
I don't see him.
Let's go over here.
Oh yeah, I see him now, Quinn. I'm liking it.
Now,
What's our plan here?
see, this started as a nature documentary, but as you saw, the magical ring was stolen from us, and that is very important to
Oh,
our
yeah.
kinfolk. So we're gonna have to go expel him from that tree using science's finest weaponry.
It's Mark II, right? Mark II.
Bet your bucket it's Mark II.
Oh yeah.
Now, as you can see, he's eating leaves. He's evolved. Wait, no, he's trying to use them as cover. Now I think if I play his favorite song, I'll draw him out. Isn't that right, Myles? Let's try it.
Let's go. I think this will work. I think it's gonna look good.
Crap. Now, as you can see, we severely upgraded the vehicle
Oh yeah.
to a 2000 and whatever year Chevy Impala. Beautiful car. We're gonna turn this bad baby on right quick.
If you want to, girl, you know you got me to hold on to.
Hold on a second.
But baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor.
Oh, there he is! It's working.
It
Jimmy.
drew him out. Yeah, I got you.
All right, now.
There he is.
Now that you have the son of a gun running, you're gonna grab a trusty pistol.
Oh yeah.
Never leave home without this
Never.
bad son.
I want the weapon too, or we're gonna save that for later.
Save that bad boy for later.
All right. I like it.
Now. Oh crap. I think he's learned how to operate a motor vehicle. As you can see, he's in the driver's seat.
Oh yeah, I see
Now,
him.
let's go pay him a visit. You're gonna regret this, Wild Myles.
Is he under? Oh yeah, there he is.
Get.
There he is.
Go on, get. Now, as we hear on Nature Doc, oh, is that a cat? That's a cat. As we hear on Nature documentaries say, we've got a runner.
We do have a runner.
So, oh, he's got gasoline.
Oh no. That's a bad sign. I think he's evolved quite some.
He's learning how to use. So we're gonna. Now, let me teach you the three fundamentals of using a gun. You want to firmly plant your feet like so.
Oh yeah, firm. Very
Have the
firm.
weapon at your waist. Take aim like so. You want to aim down that side, and you want to fire. Looks like I missed. We're gonna have to go get close. He's hit.
He's hit.
Now.
You want this? Finish him off.
Let's get him wrapped up while he got a chance.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, looking good. This is a nice capture. Nice capture.
Stand up. Stand up. Come on. Now, as you can see, we've ran out of duct tape, so that means he's probably gonna escape. Because this is live. That was pretty brand. Oh crap! So now, kids, what would you do here?
I
Oh hell!
for one would take down the beast.
I didn't ask you.
Thought you directed that at me. You said, "Hey kids." Those are some sick moves. Are you gonna teach the viewers how to do that?
Oh, he's got a weapon. Now this is what I call here the bob and weave. Goodbye, you son of a gun.
Oh no. Are you leaving me? I think he's leaving me, folks. Best get out of here while I can. Oh no. Oh no, this is a bad one. He's angry. We've angered him. Get down, get down, get down. Gonna leave me here? Ah! He got the gun from my hand. No, no, no.
I caught some red-handed buster.
Bah. What's going on? We found him. Here we go.
Tell yourself, Valdivia. Where'd Jimmy go?
Ah,
Where'd Jimmy go?
I killed him.
Hold on, let me open this gate, then I'll come fight you. I challenge you to one-on-one. Oh crap, he's got a real knife. Now, in the name of shit, I'll revive you.
What the?
That's how it's done out here in the country.
I don't know if I can take that.
Post up on me, let's play some ball.
All right, folks. Well, I managed to get the camera back from the monster while they're gonna play basketball to finish us out, and I think it's gonna look pretty good, folks.
Now, great-grandpappy Quinn Sr. taught me two things in life. How to shoot a gun and how to play basketball. And I don't know how to do either of those things anymore. But I'm posting up against you in the name of the sweet Lord. You ready for this? This one's for you, Shaquille. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, that was a good shot, Quinn.
That's like 8 points.
Just gotta get a little bit closer next time.
8 points right there. You ready again, foul beast? Oh crap.
Foiled again. Hey, it's okay. You'll get him next time.
Hold on a second. Let me give him the old Euro step. Oh, I got him there.
Oh yeah. He's off guard. He's off guard. You can get him. Go in. Go in. Go. Oh.
I missed.
Hey, it's okay. You'll get him next time, buddy.
Gotta play defense.
The beast's got the ball.
Oh my God.
Oh my. Oh, he didn't. He missed. He missed a little bit.
Oh my God.
Oh, I think he beats you, Quinn.
Hold on, one more time.
Best 2 out of 3.
I may be a beast in life, but I'm even more of a beast.
Hey, bad engine in the game, buddy. Bad engine in the game.
If I beat this, you die. If you beat me, we're gonna have to keep fighting.
Oh yeah.
The beast has been slain.
That's two.
Thank y'all for coming out tonight.
Ah!
Oh my God! Oh damn it! Oh God! Oh sweet Lord! Oh my Achilles tendon!
Ah!
Oh God!
Ah! Ah! Oh, foul beast, have mercy on me. Have mercy on me.
Come on out next week for another episode.
I don't play no games.